Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So here's how we do this. We're going to count the number of decimal places in our divisor and then move the decimal point that many places to the right. Then we'll move the decimal point in the dividend the same number of places to the right. And then if we need to, we'll add zeros in our dividend should that happen. Then we write the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend and then divide as normal. And remember, if we're dividing numbers that have the same sign, the quotient's positive, and then if we're dividing numbers that have different signs, the quotient's negative. So let's look at dividing 27 and 69 hundredths by 3 thousandths. Rewriting this, I've got the following. So the first thing I'm going to do is change this divisor so that it is a whole number. How I do that is move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 times. So now 3 is out here. The same number of decimal points I moved in my divisor will be the same number for the dividend. So 1, 2, 3. So now my decimal point is here. And this number is now 27,690 or 27,690. And then I divide this the normal way, as if they were both whole numbers, which in this case now they are. So 3 does not go into 2, but 3 goes into 27 9 times. This product here is 27. Bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 times 3. Bring down the 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And we're done. So, rewriting 27 and 69 hundredths divided by 3 thousandths now becomes 27,690 divided by 3. And my quotient is 9,230. If I were to use a calculator to calculate this division, regardless if I did this division or this division, I would still get the same quotient. The hardest part is the setup. Being able to move this decimal point over an exact number of spots, and then just remember to do the same here. And you're done. And we ended up with a 0 remainder too, which is nice. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.